This is how to send or share a video file on your Messenger app, so let's get into it. First of all, you just need to open up your Google Drive in your phone. Don't worry, it is 100% safe to share a video file on your Messenger. So once you are here, click on the plus icon, click on the upload, and then select here for your documents folder, and then select here for your video file that you want to share. It will take about 30 to 40 seconds, so you have to be patient. Then click on the three vertical dots in front of the name of that video file. Then click on the share option. So once you are here, you have to simply click on the manage access option. So then you will be here. Simply click on the restricted option. Again click on the restricted, and then simply click on anyone with this link. When the permission is updated, then you have to just move back at your video file, and then again click on the three dots, and then simply click on copy link. Right after that, you have to simply open up your Messenger app, and then simply click on the chat in which you want to share the video file. So you have to just long press here and then paste link here, and then simply click on the send. So that's how to send a video file on your Messenger app easily without any error. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.